فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. In the third lesson, kinds of feminine nouns, the marbuta, shortened alif and elongated alif are called monas al-qiyasi or logical feminine because they follow a specific pattern or rule. Besides these, there are some nouns that do not follow any pattern or rule to be regarded as bonus as-samai. They are, first one is names of towns, cities and countries. Without exception, they are all feminine. All the names of towns, countries or cities, for example, Al-Iraq, Baghdad, Al-Jamal, America, London. And the second one is parts of body that are in pairs or double parts of the body. Not a single part is considered feminine. For example, rajulun, leg, yadun, hand, uzunun, ear, ainun, eye, kadamun, foot. And the third one is names of female without female sign. For example, Zainab, Maryam, Kalsoom, etc. These are feminine nouns name, but they do not have the marbuta. And the fourth one is letters of alphabet is considered feminine. Letters of alphabet are generally used as feminine. They can also be used as masculine, but mostly they are feminine. For example, alif maksura, we say alif maksura, not maksurun. We add ta marbuta because alif is a letter. Atta marbuta, we do not say ta marbut, we say atta marbutatun ends with ta marbuta. Fifth, some collective nouns and broken plural. For example, for collective nouns, common, people, rahtun, tribe. And examples for broken plural, Yahud, Jews, Nasara, Christians. Exceptions, we have exceptions to these types of feminine nouns, words used by Arabs as feminine, without any rule or reason. They do not follow any of the previously mentioned rule because they are used by Arabs as feminine, such as Arzun, earth, Nafsun, soul, Rihun, wind, Darun, house, Shamsun, sun, Birun, well, Harbun, war, Narun, fire, Dalwun, bucket, Jahannamun, hell, Samaun, sky. These are exceptions. They do not follow any rule mentioned above, but they are used by Arabs as feminine. Let us give an example in a sentence how we use the feminine nouns in the sentence. If a noun is feminine, then verbs, adjectives, etc. must also be feminine. For example, Hazal Baitu Jamilun, this house is beautiful. The noun al-baytu is masculine. It ends with open ta maftuha, not ta marbuta, and it is the masculine. Haza is also for masculine. It means this, and jamilun is adjective, means beautiful. Examples for feminine noun in sentence is Hazihi siyaratu jamilatun. This car is beautiful. As-siyaratu, car, is feminine word because it ends with ta marbuta. Adjective at time is also feminine, jamilatun. In the first sentence is jamilun for masculine, and in the second sentence jamilatun for feminine.